Aye. Okay, this is Mr. Jenkins. Okay.
Straight out the gate, Mr. Jenkins is already hinting at some kind of tech-from-hell ankle monitor telling him to do bad things. Folks, if your court hearing starts with that sentence, you know we're in for a ride.
All right, just like last time. Keep your hands in there, don't touch anything, all right?
All right, this is multiple cases, 200434, 200419, 200418, 193992, 251160, 252332, and 252331. The People versus Charles Jenkins Jr.
Yes, Your Honor. Can I please speak to you?
Notice how the judge keeps asking him to come closer to the glass. In court, if the judge can't see your face, it's not just annoying, it's a problem for identification, reading body language, and gauging credibility.
Your Honor, listen, I have this thing on my leg. It's a tether, and it keeps telling me what to do. It keeps telling me to do bad things, and I don't want to, but this is the thing. I got a tether on.
Mr. Jenkins, can you just come back where I can see your face, please?
Yes,
I can't see back up to the glass because I don't need to see all of you, just your face.
My face is right here, man.
Can you, okay? Well, officer, I can't see him on the iPad. It's showing the door.
I'm going to speak to you, Your Honor. That's why I got to speak to you.
Mr. Jenkins, take a breath, okay? We'll get through this. But I can't see him. All I can see is the wall.
And there it is lost, the jail. Translation: the video feed just went full ghost mode. In virtual court, that's like hanging up on your boss during a Zoom meeting, except your boss controls your bail.
Or the door.
He's saying that he won't put it back in front of me.
Mr. Jenkins, you need the speaker back.
I'll give it back to you when I'm done.
Okay. We lost the jail.
If we can do a forensic on it, maybe.
Seems like that's appropriate. So if any of these cases, these are all arraignment pre-trials. I don't see that he's ever come back to court on any of these. So some he's not been arraigned on. Some he
He's got a no bond too out of Wayne County.
yeah, and he's been arraigned on some of them and just went into warrant status. Let's see if we can get the jail back. All right, Officer Ziegler, are you ready?
Sure, Your Honor. How about you?
I hope you're okay over there. I'm guessing that you're not.
Actually, I'm all right. So
Okay.
we'll get back to him in a little bit.
Okay.
I'll figure out how you want to do that. This,
I'm thinking, I think we're just going to ask for a forensic.
that might work.
Yeah, I mean, well, he's going to have to. And I don't know that he's even comprehending his, I mean, I haven't had a chance to get him to, I couldn't see his face the whole time. The camera was like at the door. So all I could see.
He kept reaching through and moving it. So he was grabbing it up and pulling it in the cell and pushing stuff around. So I can't have that.
I hear you. Maybe we'll try one more time with him, but let's see. You have to open it for me to see him, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, let me just say on record with respect to Mr. Jenkins.
Boom. Judge just calls it competency evaluation. That's the legal system's way of saying we're not even sure this guy understands what planet he's on, let alone the charges.
Arraignments. I made attempts to arraign him. It's clear that he needs to be assessed for competency. He appeared to be delusional and combative. I believe he said something about hearing voices telling him to do evil things or something of that nature. I could not properly arraign him. It's my understanding, is he throwing feces over there?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to put you through that. It's clear to me that he cannot be arraigned based on his current mental condition. So on each of these cases, on each of them, I'm giving him, here, I'll make it easy. Let me find the one. On the case 251160, this is the larceny out of Home Depot. On that case, he has $1,000 cash bond. On 19392, he has $1,000 cash. I'm going to just do 1,000 cash on all of them so we can get them assessed.
So a total I'm sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So 7,000 total?
7,000.
That'll work, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
This is Mr. Mack. Mr. Mack, come on up here to the door. Keep your hands inside the cell, all right?
All right, this is 242414, the People versus Jamie Massa.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. James Gazicki on behalf of Mr. Massa. Waive reading of the complaint. Stand mute. Your Honor, his address now is at 14180 Huron. That was the location of where the charge originated at. His mother, who lived there, passed away about a month ago. So he's at the house, taking care of the house. He's also requesting a court-appointed attorney.
All right, I've signed the request for a court-appointed attorney. Mr. Massa, did you sign your advice of rights form here? Did you go over it with Mr. Gazicki?
No.
Did you understand your rights? And did you give him permission to sign that form on your behalf? Okay, so I've entered a not guilty plea for purposes of arraignment. Again. And then, is the complaining witness on the case his mother?
Yes, that's what I've...
Judges don't just toss around that term. It means the court has zero faith. The defendant will come back if released and with multiple warrants in other cities. This guy's passport might as well be a bus pass.
He indicates that she passed away. I don't have any documentation to confirm it, but I assume that's what it is.
I mean, this is concern. Here's the thing. I've seen him before. We've had all these dates. I told him just show up to court. I gave him a personal bond and 24 hours to provide the court with an address, and he had the same conditions. That was on December. He never came back. So he's a flight risk. I also see he has warrants out of Southgate, Dearborn, and Canton. And he just doesn't, I can't trust that he'll listen. I gave him the benefit of that. And he does what he wants. And he just doesn't come back to court. And it's not just us. He doesn't come back to any of the courts.
I apologize, Your Honor. Yeah, burglary charge. I didn't even know that.
Okay, so he's got cases out. What is this? What's your date of birth?
033095.
Right. So he's got warrants for failing to appear on resisting and obstruction, drug paraphernalia. He's got it for open intoxicants in a motor vehicle. He has our case. He has one for fraud. He has one for a license offense, another one for not stopping at a crash. And he just doesn't come to court. So I'm taking away the personal, I'm giving him the 10% provision. So now his bond is $2,000, 10%. With the same bond conditions you previously had, sir. And if there's proof that the complaining witness is deceased, that information needs to be given to your attorney. I signed the request for a court-appointed attorney. You need to get it to the attorney so that he can give it to the prosecutor if the case is ultimately being dismissed.
Your hands inside the cell. Keep your hands in there. Stand up. Nope. Stand up. Put your hands inside.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, you're here today charged with misdemeanors. You have this old case that's in warrant status. There's an allegation that on April 2nd of 2025, you violated city ordinance by driving on a suspended license. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. Then you have this other charge, another City of Taylor charge. There's an allegation that on April 2nd of 2025, you were in possession of a controlled substance. So you have that case, that's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days and $500. Then you have another driving on a suspended case. And again, that's a misdemeanor alleged to have occurred on April 11th of 2023. And
Judge is laser focused on explaining constitutional rights. Even if the defendant's brushing it off, the court must make it crystal clear. If they skip this step, the whole case could be vulnerable on appeal.
that's in warrant status because you were given a payment plan 2 years ago. And I'll go on ahead and guess that you didn't make any payments on that.
Your Honor.
You did. It looks like there was a bond forfeiture and a tax garnishment filed, but otherwise you had it. Sir, did you go?